Before we start, you're already showing. What are our rules for a good discussion?
No talking.
No talking? How are we going to have a discussion with no talking?
Tracking the speaker.
Okay, tracking the speaker. We do track the speaker. What else?
When somebody's talking, don't raise your hand.
Thank you. When someone else is talking, our hand is down. And we know our signal. If you see me do this, it's reminding that our hands are down. What else?
Whenever somebody's trying to talk to you, just ignore them. Don't talk to them back.
Okay, when someone is speaking to you, you need to be actively listening, especially when you're with your shoulder partner. What else?
You ask questions.
Asking questions.
Sit with the listening button.
Yeah, that goes with active listening, and we use what? Or what were you going to say?
Listen when your partner say.
That's active listening. And how do we know when people are listening? Well, we can use some of our what?
Our agreement.
Yeah, our silent signals. That's right. So tracking the speaker, asking questions. How many people can talk at one time?
One.
All right, awesome. So we have read this book already, Storms. And yesterday we were using text evidence. I have different questions, and we're going to use different text evidence today. So the first thing I would like to start with is first, we need our shoulder partners. So the person, so red and yellow, y'all are paired. Martine, you can stay seated. Jalissa, sit next, or you're with Kimaya. Daviana, I want you to go ahead and sit on a yellow dot. Jalissa, sit on a red. What? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Y'all can change up the ones we used yesterday if you want. London, who is your partner? Okay, go be with Maximo. Turn and face your partner so I know who your partner is. Madison, who's your partner? I don't know who you're facing.
Me.
You were the group of three? Okay, that's perfect. Y'all are sitting by each other, that's perfect. Raise your hand if you do not have a partner because somebody's... Okay, obviously y'all can be partners right now. Devin, you and Xavier go sit by each other so y'all can be partners. So everybody has their partner, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. We change partners a lot. Okay.
That's good to meet their like new needs.
Yep. Okay. So we have a listening body. Our legs are
Cross.
Our hands are
Still.
Eyes are
Tracking.
Ears are
Listening.
Lips are
Still.
Of course, we're going to have tech difficulties. That's awesome. So I'm going to pick someone to read the question. Then we're going to look in the book. We're going to use text evidence. You and your partner will talk, and then you'll share out. Ms. Dunn doesn't want to do the talking. I want you to do the talking. That's why your partner are, that's why you have your partner. If you're a 1, raise your hand. Yeah, Alex, you're a 1. Hands, Janie, you're a 1, baby, not Jalissa. Hands down. If you're a 2, raise your hand. That's the other partner. Good, we remembered. Excellent. Cool. All right. Chelsea is going to use her strong speaker voice, and she is going to read the first question. You need to be tracking and listening.
On page 16 through 17, what does the author say in the element of a sandstorm beside sand?
All right. Thank you. What page is Chelsea?
16 through 17.
All right. If you're partner number 2, obviously you all have a book. I want partner number 2 to go ahead and read pages 16 and 17 to your partner.
A wall of
y'all need to be tracking while Madison reads. Since y'all have been here for 3. One, two, three. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Okay, so going back to what Chelsea asked. What does the author say is an element of a sandstorm besides sand? Now, if you read, we're going to see who's actively listening. Now, partner 1, you're going to answer the question and tell your partner. What does the author say is an element of a sandstorm besides sand? Ready? Teach.
Okay. What is it?
Where did you say it picks up more sand? What picks up more sand? You said it picks up more sand? What picks up more sand? Sand picks up more sand? You're close. Can you share out? 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Now, D'Angela found something. I see a couple of people. Devin, do you disagree? Devin, you want to add on? Do you agree with D'Angela or do you disagree?
Disagree. I disagree because it can happen. Because it can happen in water and it can like a wall of water every way.
Morgan, you look puzzled by Devin's statement.
I agree with D'Angelo because the wind could pick up lots of sand.
Yeah. What do I mean when it says an element? What do they mean an element of a sandstorm?
Like a part, like how it is.
Hold on, Maxie. Since you're talking, can you stand up so everybody can track you?
It's like how our things are made. The elements are the things that make something.
Okay, the elements are the things that make up something. So obviously in a sandstorm, we're going to have sand, right?
Yeah.
We all agree on that, Devin?
Yes.
Do we think that wind is an element in a sandstorm?
Yes.
So where did the water come from, Devin? Or do you want to change your thinking? Okay, so you do agree with D'Angelo and Morgan? Cool. Awesome. Let's move on to question 2. Renaya, can you read question 2? Stand and use your strong speaker voice. Tracking, listening.
Renaya.
According to the text on page 18 through page 19, what elements pick up a blizzard?
Okay, same word. What elements make up a blizzard? Okay? We know who's reading. We know the procedure now. Go. listener, right? So while she's reading, start with snowflakes. You need to be tracking and following along.
In a blizzard, they are. It comes from. It comes from the cold. It comes from the cold. It could make snowflakes.
Read it from the All right, 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
You can use your book. It's not cheating. Tell us where you are so we can follow along, please. You have text evidence. Say it proudly. Say, I found text evidence, Miss Dunn. Very good. Give her some shine. First, we need to know what page you're on. Tell them. Don't show them. Tell them. Okay. Are y'all there?
Yes.
All right. What element, Marissa, makes up a blizzard? Are you waiting because you want them to track you, or you need help? Okay. Where can we look for help? Look in the what? Okay, so look at the word. Maybe if your shoulder partner needs to whisper in your ear, she can. If you're really stuck, shoulder partner, help her out. She forgot what you all talked about, even though I know for a fact she knows because I asked her and she was able to tell me. Renaya, help her out. Oh, can you tell me that in a sentence? Don't be shy. I think she's just nervous because normally we're not videoing class. Put your finger on snowflakes. Can y'all read what evidence Marissa found that she shared with me? Yes. Whoa. Which sentence are we reading?
1.
Okay, let's go again. Marissa, that an element of a blizzard would have to be snowflakes.
Yeah.
We're probably not going to have a blizzard if there's not snowflakes. I would definitely agree with you, Marissa. Did somebody else find something different besides snowflakes? Thank you, Marissa, for being a risk taker. Oh, wait, Maxie, we said when people are speaking, our hands are... Thank you, Janie, for making sure people are doing our habits before speaking.
I found that
more time what it was? That's really good.
It's what I found is cold clouds.
Clouds. What's W-I-N-D? That cold what?
Wind blows the snow in so hard you can't see in front of you.
Excellent. The cold wind is blowing so hard you cannot even see in front of you because it's blowing so hard. Thank you, Jamie.
When I was looking at my book, I was reading and it said, in a blizzard, there are billions and trillions of snowflakes.
Oh, so yours was kind of similar to Marissa, except Marissa talked about where the snowflakes come from, and Madison talked about how many there were. So I think the amount of snowflakes makes a difference too, right? All right, I'm going to read the next question. All right, how does strong wind help to create a hurricane? Now this time, I'm not going to tell you the page. I want you to use one of those nonfiction text features. Maybe you and your partner can figure out what page to go to. I'll say the question again. How does strong wind help to create a hurricane? Who's your partner? So why are you not facing her? Jocelyn, I'm going to have you share what Madison gave, the advice she gave you, okay? That's your partner. That's who you're talking to, not me. Maybe Dad can read the
Strong winds, ocean water, up hurricane, cyclone,
I have Naya. Talk to your partner. We read this book for the first time yesterday. Really? Thanks. That makes me feel really good. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. I have a couple things that I saw that were really awesome that I wanted to shout out real quick. Bernaya, you were actually one of them because you were telling Marissa, like, what text evidence do you see? So shout out to you. Also, shout out to Madison's group. Jocelyn, can you share what advice Madison gave and how y'all knew where to go in your book? Because some people just like flipped through their book and they were like, oh my gosh, what page do I go to? I have no idea. Miss Dunn didn't even tell me. What did y'all do?
We look at the table of contents.
And where is the table of contents?
At the beginning of the page.
That's right. Let's not forget our text features. Raise your hand if your group actually went to table of contents. I know Madison's group did. Y'all did. And then you found the word hurricane and knew you could go to 22. So now that we're on page 22, wind helped to create a hurricane. Oh.
No.
Martine, please wait to talk until we have people who are respecting the learning time and respecting what you have to say. They're not just sitting still, they're actively listening to you. Because if you found something different, you're going to raise your hand and either agree or disagree when he's finished speaking.
How do you create a hurricane? We need wind and the key.
Say that one more time.
How do you make a
Why do you say that?
Because it says in the book.
I don't know what it says in the book. Renaya, give Martina a hint at what he should be doing. Don't tell him the answer. Give him a hint at what he needs to be doing. He just told me wind and water because it says it in the book.
You should be.
What did you tell Marissa that I just shouted you out for?
Take evidence.
Tell him, Mommy.
You should be saying. What is it? Takes evidence.
So, if we say I read it in the book, is that text evidence?
No. Ooh, how do I
Give him some shine.
Dark clouds from the ocean.
Huh?
Dark clouds over the ocean.
Over the ocean. Dark clouds form over the ocean.
No. I disagree because I think that in the book, they said that strong winds pull ocean water up into springing clouds.
Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. I'm not seeing any agrees. If you agree, do it. If you don't agree, raise your hand and either you want to add on. I don't know.
I disagree with Martine and Aiden because I think the hurricane winds spin in a circle.
Okay. Listen to my question again. And think about what those three teammates said. Martine said dark clouds form over the ocean. Aiden said strong winds pull the ocean water up. And Maxie said hurricane winds spin in a circle. We have three different answers. Listen to the question carefully. How does strong wind help create a hurricane? How does the wind help create a hurricane? Would we say that dark clouds create the hurricane? The dark clouds forming? Would we say the strong winds are pulling ocean water up? Or would we say that the hurricane winds spin in a circle? What do y'all think? I'm not going to tell you the answer. You raise your hand and then have nothing to say?
Hurricane winds spin in a circle.
Okay. Anybody else for that answer? What about what Aiden said? I don't know. I'm not going to tell y'all. We got to figure it out.
I agree what Aiden said because when you had said the question, it had actually went together what Martine said.
With what, Martine, or with what Aiden? Martine said the dark clouds. Aiden said the pulling the ocean water up into spinning clouds.
But when strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds, it forms like a little dark cloud.
It forms the hurricane. Interesting. Can Aiden be right? And can Maxie also be right?
Yes.
Is there only one correct answer to every question?
No. Yes.
So if you agree with Aiden, hey, guess what? That was a great answer, Aiden. Give him 2 snaps and a clap. Look, Miss Dunn did it backwards. 2 snaps and a clap. if you agree with Maxie. I think Maxie's answer was a great answer. Give him 2 snaps and a clap. And then Martine, you said dark clouds form over the ocean. Does that deal with how strong wind creates a hurricane? Are clouds and winds necessarily the same thing? So you're right in that, yes, there are dark clouds. But we weren't asking about what happens. We were asking about the wind. How does strong wind? Are you with me?
Yes.
Everybody kiss your brain. Please tell your partner, thank your partner
Thank you.
for sharing their brain with you. And you can pass your books